Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. So if you have one single device, let's say Android or iPhone, and you want to add multiple TikTok accounts to the same TikTok app on your phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add multiple account profile on TikTok, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. Now, once you open the TikTok app, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. And once you click on that, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on the menu icon at the top right. Then locate and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down the page to the bottom. Then you should see Switch Account. Go ahead and click on that. And once you click on Switch Account, then you should see all the accounts you've added to your TikTok device. Then to add another account, go ahead and click on Add Account. Then you'll be prompted to type in your TikTok login or sign up for a new TikTok. If you already created a TikTok account and you want to log in, just come here and click on Login. Then select your login method and then log into your TikTok account. Once you've logged in and you come back to the settings and privacy, you click on Switch Account. Then you should see all your logged in TikTok account here. So that allows you to add multiple accounts on TikTok. However, to switch between your account on TikTok, all you just need to do is click on this drop menu and then you should see all the accounts you have here. Then click on the account you want to switch to. Then you should see if you have restricted mode turned on, you want to enter your passcode on the restricted mode TikTok, click on next. Then you'll be able to access the TikTok on your device. So just click on this drop menu again and then switch the account. You see that? So that is basically how to add multiple accounts on TikTok on the same device. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.